What actually happens inside your kitchen microwave if you turn it on and run it completely empty for just 2 minutes? A microwave functions by creating high-frequency radio waves that must be absorbed by the water molecules inside your food. When there is absolutely no food or liquid inside, these powerful waves have nowhere to go. They violently bounce off the metal interior walls and travel straight back into the magnetron, the expensive component that generates the energy. This intense, concentrated overheating causes the magnetron to literally burn out, releasing a foul chemical odor, creating dangerous electrical sparks, and permanently destroying the appliance.